Hi, today we'll be looking at the G600 USB microscope. Looking at the box, it has all the normal sort of information you're going to find on there, really, all of the general information really. It's a 3.6 megapixel camera, it's 4.3 inch LCD. It can be used apparently for industry, education, collection and research. I'm assuming it means collection of data, biological and mineral. I personally bought this device for using to do some micro soldering, but other than that, let's open the box and we'll see what's inside. Okay, first thing we've got the manual. As you can see, made in China. Opening the manual, it tells you what the main parameters are. As it said on the outside, it's a 3.6 megapixel camera, 4.3 inches LCD display, assuming it's a TFT rather than anything else. 1 to 600 times continuous magnification. This is an optical zoom, rather digital zoom rather than an optical zoom. It does have a focus knob, but you know, generally it actually does pretty well. It does have a 15mm object distance and a built-in lithium battery. It can work for up to 6 hours on one charge. It does say that it requires up to 4 hours to charge, but you can plug it in straight away into your USB port or into the supplied charger, and it will work straight out the box really. The good thing about this camera, and they don't advertise it, is that if you plug it into your computer and you use something like Oasis to view, it'll treat you just like a webcam. What you can do is you can plug it straight into your PC and use something like Oasis, and that'll allow you to view what's underneath the microscope directly on your computer screen. You don't actually have to use the 4.3 inch monitor, but still it's there if you want it. What else can we find out from the manual? Tells you basically what each of the menus do. You can change the resolution, the date. It does have motion detection, why I don't know, but it is there anyway. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it in the manual. If we look what's actually in the box, you get the stand. These stands are alright, they're not fantastic. I do find that they do tend to slip off if you're not careful. These aren't the most tightest of fixings. Underneath, this is just a cover. It does have a slight tacky feel, so I think there might be adhesive on there, but this is a suction cup like you get in your on your phone holder in your car. Basically just make sure that whatever you attach it to is a smooth surface, it's clean and dry, and it should do the job. However, with this you have got a pretty much fixed focal length. You can't really move it up and down without it changing the angle of view. I personally bought an adjustable stand. It didn't cost much, I think it was like £9 or something like that. It's worth getting, but needless to say, they do supply you with something, so it's not like you have nothing. What else you have in the box is you have a mini to standard USB. You have an adapter. It's a 0.5 amp 5 volt adapter. Couldn't really tell, I think that might be USA, but they do give you the adapter plug to get it to a UK fitting. I would personally use something like a phone charger, or even, like I said, just plug it straight into your computer. It will be fine. I've done this. It should be great, not a problem. If we look at the USB microscope itself, if I just grab this out and put the box to one side, what we have is the 4.3 inch screen. We've got the power button, we've got the menu, the mode, left and right, and the OK button. So standard kind of menu system buttons there. On the side we have the mini USB socket, we have an SD card socket. This bump says that you can actually record up to 1080 with this. I don't think you can. I think it can do it quite comfortably to 720. I've seen online that a lot of people are saying that it can do 720. So unless you really want to be a Martin Scorsese of the micro soldering world, I think that should be fine. You've got a dimmer jog wheel there. What that does is for the brightness of the 8 LED diffuser, and as I said, you've got a little focus here, so once you've set your length, you can change the focus to where you want it to be. Anyway, that's the G600 USB microscope. See you next time.